Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today. Today behind me, you can see that I am attempting with a fellow GR Corolla owner here, that we are attempting to wrap Ray's hood on his Circuit Edition. So neither one of us, keep in mind, are experienced in this. We're both new to the wrapping world. We both wrapped our center consoles, and that's really about it. I did my front lip. So we're learning as we go. This is our second attempt. I will let you know that. The first one crashed and burned. We tore the hood, literally right as we were finishing up right here. we tore it, but we learned from that, and this piece is going on smoother. And so I just thought I would show you, and let me spin this around and show you what we're doing. So, as I said, Ray's got a Circuit Edition, so he's got the roof, carbon fiber roof. So we are in the midst of wrapping the hood, and we're also going to attempt the hatch, which is also a little harder than the hood. But we are doing pretty good. We've got this all done. We've got this side done all the way around to the front. And now we just have this side over here. So it's not as easy as they make it look in the videos, but we're getting there. So we will continue on with this, and I'll show you when we get this part done and what that looks like. And hopefully we can get the hatch done today too, and he'll be all carbon fibered up from the hood to the tail. So, all right, check back in a few. Working on the little front piece. Next thing is working on this hatch. So the plan is to try to wrap this white area on the hatch, and we'll see how that goes. So second time for this too. The first time we were doing pretty good, but we had trimmed it, and unfortunately we had trimmed it too close here, and we didn't have enough to pull and stretch. So beginner's mistake, but that's okay. We're back for round two. Forward a little bit. Yeah. That's good. Here is the finished rear hatch. So we really had no difficulties with everything below this curve right here. So that curve and below it went pretty smoothly. But the curve above that, and basically right in the middle, the 2 feet, the 1 foot left and right of the center emblem there above it, that was the worst part, because that angle was causing us so many problems. But we keep getting better. We keep learning more with every step. So we figure this is our first prototype, and it didn't do too bad. So we're learning. We're newbies, but it looks pretty damn good. So we have that, and then we go to the OEM. In fact, the pattern on it looks better than the, unless you really get close to it, then the camera kind of picks it up. And then we come out and we see the hood. So there we go. So now the whole, essentially the whole top of the car, from the front nose all the way back to the hatch. Looking good. Ray's a happy man. So we will do it again and we'll make it better, but for now, he has the look. So until our next go around with it, we are done for today. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Fire some questions at me. And like I said, this has been an interesting learning experience for both of us. But hey, we're getting better. So thanks, guys. And until next time, we'll see you down the road.